So, welcome back for our second tip of the show, where we have 4 expressions to do with go but have nothing to do with movement. So, here we go. That one was just a trick. Doesn't count. First one is to go out of business. When a company goes out of business, it means it no longer has any income and has to let go all of their staff. For example, Spar went out of business when nobody continued buying at their store. Second one, to go unnoticed, something that I do quite often as an English teacher. I have to try and go unnoticed through the streets when my students are around so that they don't come up and start asking me questions about homework, etc. So to go unnoticed is that they don't see you, all right? Then we have go missing, something that might happen on holidays, for example. Your wallet went missing. You were out in the middle of a square with a load of people. Suddenly you realized, oh no, my wallet has gone missing. Then finally, my favorite one, to go crazy. I love to go crazy, just a little bit, not too much. You can also say to go nuts, to go insane, and to lose your mind completely. So, example, we're there at a huge party and everybody went crazy and trashed the whole place. Please do not do this at home, kids. Take care.